Hello children. In the simple harmonic motion, in the last topic we have done the relation for the displacement, velocity and acceleration. And then we have proved that acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement and direction of acceleration and displacement is opposite to each other. So the motion is said to be simple harmonic motion. Now, we had to show the graphical representation of the displacement, velocity and acceleration. For the displacement, we know y is equal to r sin omega t and we know omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. So we can put the value of omega y equals to r sin 2 pi upon t into t. Now we can take t is equal to 0, y is equal to r sin 2 pi upon t into 0, it is 0. So sin 0 will be 0, so displacement will be 0. If we take small t is equal to t by 4, so we get y is equal to r sin 2 pi upon t into t by 4, cancelled. So we get y is equal to r sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1. So we get y is equal to r. In the third, small r is equal to t by 2. Y is equal to r sin 2 pi upon t into t by 2, cancelled. Y is equal to r sin 180 is 0. So displacement is 0. Next, fourth, r is equal to 3t by 4. Small t is equal to 3t by 4. So y is equal to r sin 2 pi upon t into 3t by 4. Cancelled. It will be cancelled. So y is equal to r sin 3 pi by 2. That is 270 minus 1 minus r. Now fifth value of small t is capital T. So we get y is equal to r sin 2 pi upon t into t, cancelled. Sin 360 is 0, so displacement will be 0. Now we can write this is plus r and this is minus r. This is small t for the time, small t 0, then small t is equal to t by 4, then t by 2, then 3t by 4 and then for capital T. For the 0, we have proved displacement is 0. For t by 4, it is r, so it will be here. For t by 2, we find 0. For 3t by 4, we find minus r. And for t, it is t. So we can write here like this. We can draw the graph for the sign. So this is the graph for the displacement. For the velocity, we know v is equal to r omega cos omega t. Put t is equal to 0, r omega cos 2 pi upon t into 0. Cos 0 will be 1, so v is equal to r omega. Second, small t is equal to, this is t by 4, so we get v is equal to r omega cos 2 pi upon t, t by 4. Cos 90 is 0, so velocity will be 0. For the third, small t is equal to, this is t by 2, v is equal to r omega cos 2 pi upon t into, this is t by 2, cancelled, it will be cancelled, cos 180 is minus 1, so v is equal to minus r omega. For the fourth, small t is equal to 3t by 4. We can write v is equal to r omega cos 2 pi upon t into 3t by 4, cancelled, it will be cancelled, so 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 will be 0, so velocity will be 0. And the fifth, we can write small t is equal to t, so v is equal to r omega cos 2 pi upon t into t, cancelled, cos 360 is 0, so velocity is 0. So now we can plot the graph for the velocity. This is r omega minus r omega. For the 0, this is 0, t by 4, this is t by 2, this is 3t by 4, this is t. So we get r omega for the 0, for the t by 4 0, for t by 2 it is minus r omega, for 3t by 4 0, for capital T it is r omega. So we can draw the graph, and this is graph for the cos, so this is for the velocity. Next, for the acceleration, we know A is equal to minus r omega square. This is sin omega t. So for t is equal to 0, we can write A is equal to minus r omega square sin omega is 2 pi upon t into 0. It is 0. A is equal to minus r omega square into 0. So acceleration is 0. For the second, small t is equal to, this is t by 4 minus r omega square, this is sin into t by 2, cancelled. Sin 90 is 1 minus r omega square. For the third, t is equal to t by 2 minus r omega square. Sin omega is 2 pi upon t into t by 2. Sin 180 0, acceleration 0. Small t is equal to 3t by 4. A is equal to minus r omega square sin 2 pi upon t, 3t by 4. Sin 3 pi by 2, sin 270 minus 1, minus minus plus, I is equal to r omega square. Fifth is small t is equal to capital T minus r omega square sin 2 pi upon t into t, cancelled, sin 360 0, acceleration 0. So we can draw the graph r omega square minus r omega square. This is t by 4, this is t by 2, 3t by 4 and t. For small t 0, for t by 4 minus r omega square, for t by 2 0, for 3t by 4 plus r omega square, for capital T 0. So we can plot the graph like this. This is graphical representation for the acceleration